Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to buy Google Play gift codes from PayPal, and now let's dive right in. Now to buy Google Play gift codes from your PayPal, first open up a preferred browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Google Chrome over here. And after opening a preferred browser, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the address paypal.com/gifts like this and hit enter. Make sure you put the gifts properly after the backslash, guys, and you land over here on this interface. Now we are on the home interface of PayPal, but you can see the cards option available for us. Click on the cards option over here, and either you can scroll down and find the Google Play gift code over here, or you can search it. Since it's available over here, I'll be just clicking on the gift code over here, and let's click on it, and then you'll be redirected over here on the Google Play gift code option over here. Now in order to proceed, first you'll be required to choose the amount of the gift code which you want to proceed to buy, and with that being done, after choosing your net amount, guys, you can see either you can gift it to somebody, whomever you want, or you can just buy it for yourself. In order to buy it for yourself, guys, click on this is for me, and then click on the add to cart button over here, which is on the blue. And the moment this panel appears where it says item has been added to your cart, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the cart button available for us. Click on the cart button at the top right corner of the screen. It will be added over here, and let's remove the Starbucks gift card over here, and you can see the Google Play gift code I just entered to our card. And over here, in order to proceed to buy it, click on the buy now button, and then proceed to log into your PayPal account from over here and make the payment. And after following through this procedure and making the payment, you will have bought the Google Play gift card, and it will be available on your Gmail of your PayPal account. And that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to buy Google Play gift codes from PayPal. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.